Ready? Let's do some bouncing. Everybody, drum on your leg for 10 seconds. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Put your foot down. Okay, let's do the other leg. Keep on drumming. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, good job. Did you see before when I put my foot down, I made a mistake? That's so cool. Yeah, I love making mistakes. Whenever I make a mistake, that means that I learn something and I get better at it. So good job, me, making a mistake. And whenever I make a mistake, I say thank you, brain, because it learns. So before I was bouncing, I put my foot down, my brain learned, oh, here's a little better balance. So I go, thank you, brain, and I kiss it like that. So let's say you learned something today. Ready? I'm going to tell you something that you're going to learn, and your brain learned it, and you're going to kiss it. So today, I taught you big belly breathing. So everybody breathe in with your belly, and breathe out. So we learned big belly breathing. So say, thank you, brain, and now kiss your brain. Just like that. And that way, you're thanking your brain for learning something new. Pretty cool, okay? All right. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.